Hi, my name is Polina, and in this video I will show you how to get started with GinAREA trading bots. We will go through all the steps from registering on the exchange to launching your first trading bot. Let's start with the registration. You can skip this step if you already have an account on the ByBit exchange, but if you don't have an account yet, you can use our referral link in the description to receive additional bonuses. Enter your email and come up with a password. Click Create Account. And don't forget about the security code from the letter, of course. To gain access to full functionality of the ByBit exchange, it is necessary to complete first level KYC identity verification. Taking a selfie with a document confirming your identity will be enough. The system checks the images automatically and it only takes a couple of minutes. After registering on the exchange, we proceed to registration at the GinAREA.org. Click the register button to do so, enter your email, which will also be your login. You will immediately receive a letter with a password to log into the system. The first thing you need to do after you get to the main page is connect the API keys in the exchange section. Let's create them before we do that. Go to the ByBit exchange and click on the corresponding link in the drop-down menu on the main page. Click the Create a New Key button in the next window and select System-Generated API Keys. Enter an arbitrary name for the API key, let's say GinAREA. Be sure to select Read and Write, otherwise the bots just wouldn't work. Leave the default option No IP restriction selected. Select the Orders, Positions and Trade check boxes. They will be enough for the bots to work. And then click the Submit button below. Don't close the opened case successfully added window yet, otherwise it will be impossible to gain access to the secret API key and you will have to generate the keys again. Now switch between tabs on the GinAREA website, click the blue Connect button in the Exchange section and copy and paste both API keys from the Exchange there one at a time. Click the Connect button. You should see 3 green lines with connected inverse and linear contracts, as well as spot. It will also display the key expiration date. The exchange limits it to 3 months for protection, and after this, the key generation and connection procedure will need to be repeated. GinAREA will send you an email to remind you about this. Before creating the first bot, you need, of course, to top up your balance on the exchange. I've already done this, and you can see all the cryptocurrencies and USDT available to you in the tab under the $sign. Now, everything is ready to create and launch your first bot. My bot section is already open on the main page of GinAREA by default. Click the New Bot button. In the corresponding field, enter the name for your bot. It can be anything. The main thing is that you understand what kind of bot it is. For example, Fitfile loan. This is the cryptocurrency that the bot will loan in the future. Choose an exchange. So far, the only one connected is ByBit. In the bot type field, select USDT futures. These are the linear perpetual futures contracts. Select a trading pair, FitFi. It is perfect for loaning because the minimal order is just 1 cent. Below you will immediately see a hint, your available balance for your derivative account. Leave the one-way mode, it is enabled on the exchange by default. And choose the strategy, loan. Click the next button. And here we find ourselves in the advanced settings section. I won't go into the depth about each parameter now, I won't do this. There will be separate videos for that in the future, but we've already got short videos with explanations available on our channel, and you can also find all the answers in the FAQ section. Highlighted fields are mandatory. Grid step will be 0.00001, max trigger number 200. For order size, choose the minimum size of each order, which is 2. In order stop is an optional field for a bot to work, but it is a distinctive feature of GinAREA bots and greatly increases their efficiency and profit. I highly recommend not leaving the value at 0 and set it to be equal to grid step or a little less, let's say 0.00001. The last 3 fields to fill out are target distance, 0.00003, minimum stop profit 0.000005, max stop profit 0.00001. Click the green Save button and our first bot is ready to go. Press the Start button next to the bot's name, and if you've done everything right, the green working status will light up. That's all. Thanks for your attention.